Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to draw a line shape on your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and click on this comment option, this menu bar, and this is shape option and click on this down arrow and this line icon, click here and drag your mouse cursor and draw a line and see this, and this right side of this properties option, click here and firstly I increase line thickness, same. Here you can change line color and this line ending point and this starting point. You can add this and I'll make it solid. This one is solid line, and this line you can add a dotted line and this is dash line and so on. I'll make it solid line and increase it, and here you can increase decrease this line size and see this and move anywhere. Yeah, this is in this way you can draw line on your PDF file and place anywhere. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.